So hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today Geeks for Geeks problem of the day is find common nodes in two BSTs. Given two binary search trees, find the nodes that are common in between of them. That is, find the intersection of two BSTs. Return the common nodes in sorted order. Okay. Let's understand this problem. They give us our two BSTs, binary search trees. In BSTs, the left child is always less than its parent, and as well as its right child is always greater than its parent. Okay, this is called BST. So they give us two BST and they says, okay, I have to return the nodes which are having same values or common values in between them, right? Or common nodes, you can say. Like if you see these two BSTs, you can easily say, okay, 4 is common in between them, as well as 7 is common in between them, 9 is common in between them, and 10 is common in between them. Okay, so they have a output like 4, 7, 9, 10, and it's in sorted order. Okay, now how can we solve that? Like we can do something like we can make a hash set, okay, or set. So in this set we will store every element in BST in one BST, right? Like in set we store 0, 1, 4, 5, 10, 7, 9, and then we run a in order traversal in BST, okay, and then check, okay, is 4 is present in this set? It's yes, we consider 4 as our output. Okay, then check, okay, 7 is present in our set, yes, 7 is present. 9 is present in our set, yes, 9 is present. 10 is present in our set, yes, 10 is present. 20 is present in our set, no, 20 is not present in our set, so our output is 4798. Okay, I tell you to traverse in order traversal, right? What happened in order traversal? In order traversal in BSTs, we did first we have to go to the left side, then we return to its parent, and then after that we go to its right child. So what happened? Like if you go at first the left child, we got what, 4, then we return to its parent, that is 7, and then we go to its right child, what is 9. So if you consider like this, so what we get, like 479, right? 479. And if you consider this, it is in sorted order, right? Isn't it? So for this 10, if I go to this left side, what I get? 479. So in order, what we did, we first go to its left child, then we return to its parent, so we return to its parent like 10, then we go to the right child, so it is 20. Now if we did in order traversal in BST, we always get a sorted order, and they told us we have to return our answer in a sorted order. So let me show you the code, so it will help you to understand this problem easily. So here this is the Python code. Okay, here I define two functions, one is in order and one is check duplicate. First we traverse a in order traversal in BST1 and store these values 0, 1, 4 in a set like this. Okay, like we go first left child and then we store its node data and then go to its right child, and if the node value is null, then we simply return in order. Okay, in check duplicate, we first go to the left child and then we check is node data is present in our set. If it is present in our set, we simply add to our answer, okay, the node data. Then there is our function, main function, which is calling this in order first and then check duplicate and then return our answer. Let's compile this and submit that. Okay, it's submitted successfully. Let me show you the Java code. This is the Java code. Let's compile this code. It's same as Python code. Okay, let's submit this. So yeah, it's also submitted successfully. So thank you all. That's all for today.